Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, January 13th, 2026. It is just before 8:30 in the morning. It's a kind of chilly, overcast, gross 58 degrees right now. A little bit of a breeze. It's going to be a little colder down here by the Manatee River that we're heading to. I got Murdoc out here. He's doing his typical sniffing, peeing, pooping. I'm out here with this really loud traffic this morning. A lot of people speeding through downtown as usual. I'm currently doing laundry. I don't know my plans yet for today. Again, it's one of those entertain myself days since Em is out of town, which I'm totally capable of. But I'm Lee. Welcome to my day. This cloudy weather does have me quite a bit unmotivated today. One thing I do want to do is, since I don't have any major plans, I want to run my car maybe up to Tampa or something, get it on the freeway. I'm trying to get whatever sound it's making to be louder. Me and Em took my car to St. Pete the other day, and when we got back, it has made the sound a little bit louder. I need to get this fixed sooner than later. I think it's an axle shaft that's slowly going out and it's making a grinding noise, but it's still pretty intermittent. Next time I take it into a shop, I want to have it doing it all the time, because every time I've taken it in, they say, oh, we can't reproduce the sound. It's not making the sound. We can't find it. And I'm like, well, every time I'm driving my car, it's making it loud. So I think I'm going to do that. Get it on the freeway, make the sound worse. Hopefully I won't break down on the side of the road, but I don't think it's going to majorly fail. I think it's just something that's slowly going out. So that way I can get it fixed in the next couple weeks. All right, it's about 5:30. It has cooled off to 66 degrees, and it is breezy and cloudy out here. It's a little chilly. It's hoodie weather. I've got Murdoc out here. We're doing our little evening walk. I ended up driving my car all the way to Tampa. I drove up there, got a coffee, drove back. The noise that my car was making actually was quieter than it was before when I got back. So I don't know if that is an alarmingly bad thing that's going on or if it's a good thing. I'm sure it'll be back tomorrow when I'm driving at slower speeds. It'll start grinding again. If not, I don't know what the heck is going on, and it's something I need to figure out because I need that car to be reliable for a 6-week road trip coming up. When I got back today, I've just been kind of hanging out in my apartment. I haven't done any recording because I was cleaning, putting away laundry, doing little chores around my apartment. So I'm trying to get some footage now, at least talking and walking, to get a little, at least 5-minute video out there on YouTube today. And because we are cruising around right now during rush hour, I know I complain about the traffic a lot because it's downtown and there's lots of it, but during rush hour, everyone is out here driving crazy, flooring their cars intersection to intersection. My camera surprisingly does a pretty good job of muting out that ambient noise in the background, the loud cars. You can kind of hear it, I'm sure, but I've noticed when I'm editing, it's not as loud as it is in real life when I'm out here listening to it. So it's a little bit dangerous of a time to walk around, but I'm gonna do it. I gotta get Murdoc some steps in. His little old man legs are kind of shaky. I don't know how well that will show up on camera, but he's getting old. He is 14 next month, so I gotta have some sort of birthday party treat for him this year. As soon as I said treat, his ears perked up. So he still can hear, it's just very selective. So Murdoc knows that we're going back to my apartment so he can get his treat for the night, and you will never see him walk faster than when he is food motivated. I am going to go ahead and wrap up my filming for today. Hopefully I got 5 minutes of footage. We'll see when I do my edits. Overall vibe of the day, it was a very good day. I am confused what's going on with the sound that my car is making. I know it is something to do with axle shafts, more than likely some sort of bearing in there. We'll see how it goes tomorrow when I drive it to the gym. I did end up skipping the gym today because I wanted to get out early, get that car driven while I had a day off and wasn't in town. I didn't have any other plans, so I figured that was the perfect day to do it. So overall vibe of the day, it was a good day. That's all I got for you today. Until next time, have a good one.